In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the camera locked bug in League of Legends. Now in League of Legends, sometimes there's a bug where your camera will be locked like this, and even if you click on it, it will not go off. Now, if your camera is locked and you're pressing your Y button, and this doesn't happen, it doesn't unlock, and you also try pressing on this and it still doesn't unlock, the way that you can easily fix this is simply by taking your mouse down here and holding down the button anywhere on the map. Now what this will do is it will unlock the camera, and as you can see I have it on right now, so if I let it go it will just lock again. But if it's the bug where this will not unlock, if you just do this, it will simply stay unlocked. So that's how you can fix the bug, guys. Now there's not really much more to it. Simply try and press Y, try and press on this, and if it doesn't work, just put your mouse and hold it down anywhere on the map, and then it will be unlocked again. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.